Hey, this is Ivory with MunchieGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious air fryer pizza grilled cheese. For the ingredients, you'll need 2 slices of bread, pepperoni, ham, butter, mozzarella cheese, pizza sauce, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Start by preheating your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 5 minutes. Next, spread a layer of butter to each slice of bread. Next, flip the slices over and then apply a thin layer of pizza sauce to each slice of bread. To 1 slice of bread, go ahead and layer on the cheese, pepperoni, ham, more cheese, and then top with some garlic powder and Italian seasoning. Place the other slice of bread on top and then air fry for 5 minutes. Be sure to flip halfway through. Once the sandwich is done, go ahead and remove from the air fryer, let cool, cut, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching.